VAT calculations. Our question reads, a loaf of bread is €4 including VAT. If VAT is 12% on the bread, how much is the bread before VAT is added? So what we need to write down is the details excluding VAT and the details including VAT. We know that the details with the excluding VAT will always be 100% because that's the original amount. If VAT is 12%, the percentage then including VAT will be 100 plus the 12. Now what we're told in terms of the amount or the money is the price including VAT is €4 and we're looking for the price excluding VAT, so I'm calling that X. And all I want to do is just put the percentages over each other, put the values over each other, and then solve for X. So that's what I do. The percentages on the left, put them over each other. The amount on the right, put those over each other and leave it equal to each other. And that's because the ratio of the percentages will equal the ratio of the costs. When I cross multiply, I'd have 4 by 100, and usually we'd multiply up by the 112, but we don't really need to do it in this case. All we're going to do is just bring the 4 up there. So we isolate X there on the right hand side. Work out that calculation, and the price excluding VAT is €3.57. Bear in mind the price excluding VAT should be less than the price including VAT. It is in this case, so we know we're on the right track. Example 2. So in this case, we have a phone that costs €150 excluding VAT. If the VAT is 13.5% on the phone, how much is the phone worth with the VAT? It's the exact same idea. We write down the information we have excluding VAT. So it's €150. Excluding VAT will always be the 100% value. Then we look at what's happening with including VAT. We're looking for the amount, and we know that if VAT is 13.5%, 13.5 plus the 100 will be 113.5%. Now, once you have the setup there, again, it's going to be that over that equals that over that, which is what I have in the first line. They're just reversed the opposite way around. Cross multiply 100 by X and 113.5 by 150. Divide under by the 100 and work that out in the calculator. And we see then that the cost of the phone, including VAT, is 170, which is greater than the cost excluding VAT, which is what we'd expect.